How to grow wheatgrass at home, without soil. Growing wheatgrass at home is a great way to enjoy the benefits of this nutrient-dense superfood. Wheatgrass is easy to grow and doesn't require soil to thrive. Here's how you can grow wheatgrass at home without soil. Materials needed: wheatgrass seeds, a container, a spray bottle, water. Instructions: 1. Soak the wheatgrass seeds in water for 8 to 12 hours. 2. Take a container and spread a thin layer of moistened paper towel over the bottom. Place the soaked wheatgrass seeds evenly over the paper towel layer. 3. Rinse the seeds twice daily with water using a spray bottle. This will keep the seeds moist, but avoid overwatering as it may cause the seeds to rot. 4. Cover the container with a lid or a plastic wrap to create a humid environment. 5. Keep the container in a warm, well-lit area. Direct sunlight may cause the seeds to dry out, so it's better to keep them in a shaded area. 6. After 2 to 3 days, the wheatgrass should start to sprout. Continue to rinse and mist the seeds until the grass grows to a height of 6 to 8 inches. 7. When the grass reaches the desired height, harvest it by cutting it just above the roots. You can use scissors or a sharp knife to cut the wheatgrass. 8. Enjoy your fresh wheatgrass juice, or use it in salads or smoothies. Note: it's important to use organic wheatgrass seeds for growing, as conventional seeds may have been treated with pesticides or other chemicals that could harm your health.